Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best fire pits, the perfect outdoor additions for creating warmth, comfort, and a relaxing atmosphere in your backyard, patio, or camping setup. Whether you're hosting evening gatherings, enjoying quiet nights outdoors, or looking for a portable fire solution for travel, these fire pits deliver reliable heat, durable construction, and user-friendly designs. In this video, we'll explore key factors like fuel type, heat performance, portability, safety features, and overall build quality to help you choose the best fire pit for your needs. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest prices and available deals. Let's get started. Starting off our list is the Cuisinart Clean Burn Smokeless Tabletop Fire Pit, a compact and stylish option designed for smaller outdoor spaces. Cuisinart is well known for producing high-quality kitchen and outdoor products, and this tabletop fire pit reflects that reputation. Featuring clean burn technology, it minimizes smoke by promoting efficient combustion, allowing you to enjoy the warmth and ambience without constant smoke irritation. This fire pit is ideal for patios, decks, balconies, or tabletop use, making it a great choice for intimate gatherings. It is easy to set up and operate, requiring minimal maintenance compared to traditional wood-burning fire pits. Users appreciate its modern design, consistent flame output, and reduced smoke performance. While it may not provide the heat output of larger fire pits, it excels as a convenient and elegant solution for smaller outdoor areas. Next on the list is the Flame King Smokeless Propane Fire Pit, a reliable and user-friendly fire pit designed for hassle-free outdoor enjoyment. Powered by propane, this model delivers consistent heat without the mess of ash or embers. The smokeless propane system ensures clean burning, making it suitable for residential backyards, patios, and outdoor seating areas. The Flame King Fire Pit features a durable construction and an easy ignition system that allows quick startup. It offers excellent flame control, giving users the flexibility to adjust heat levels based on their comfort. Many users highlight its steady performance, minimal cleanup, and portability. While propane tanks require refilling, the convenience and clean operation make this fire pit a practical choice for those who prioritize ease of use. For those who value portability and compact design, the Ogre Stove Tabletop Fire Pit is an excellent option. Designed with outdoor adventures in mind, this fire pit is lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for camping trips, tailgating, or outdoor events. Despite its small size, it provides a satisfying flame and enough warmth for close-range comfort. The Ogre Fire Pit typically supports eco-friendly fuel options and features a sturdy design that ensures stability during use. Users appreciate its simple setup, compact footprint, and versatility. While it is not intended for large gatherings or high heat output, it is perfect for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who want a portable fire solution without compromising safety or convenience. Moving along, the Outland Living Portable Propane Fire Pit offers a balance of performance, portability, and durability. Outland Living specializes in outdoor fire products, and this model is designed to deliver consistent heat in various outdoor environments. Powered by propane, it eliminates the need for wood while providing clean, controlled flames. This fire pit is well suited for backyard patios, camping sites, and outdoor lounges. It features a solid base, reliable ignition system, and strong heat output for comfortable outdoor evenings. Users often praise its dependable performance, quick setup, and minimal maintenance. Its portability makes it a favorite among those who want flexibility without sacrificing power or quality. Taking the top spot on our list is the Turbo 19-inch Smokeless Fire Pit, a high-performing option designed for larger gatherings and extended outdoor use. This fire pit combines a spacious fire bowl with advanced airflow technology that reduces smoke while enhancing heat efficiency. The result is a powerful and comfortable fire experience without excessive smoke. The 19-inch bowl allows for longer burn times and larger flames, making it ideal for patios, backyards, and outdoor entertainment areas. The smokeless design improves combustion efficiency, producing stronger heat and reducing smoke-related discomfort. Users consistently highlight its impressive warmth, sturdy construction, and visually appealing flame presentation. While it requires more space than tabletop models, it stands out as a premium option for those seeking both performance and comfort. When choosing the right fire pit, it's important to consider fuel type, portability, smoke control, and heat output. Tabletop fire pits work best for small spaces, while propane models offer clean burning and easy operation. Smokeless designs enhance comfort, especially during longer gatherings. That concludes our list of the top 5 best fire pits. From the compact Cuisinart Clean Burn Smokeless Tabletop Fire Pit to the dependable Flame King Smokeless Propane Fire Pit, the portable Ogre Stove Tabletop Fire Pit, the versatile Outland Living Portable Propane Fire Pit, and our top pick, the Turbo 19-inch Smokeless Fire Pit, each option delivers reliable warmth and outdoor ambience. Which fire pit fits your outdoor lifestyle best? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for current deals and offers. Thanks for reading.